Hi everyone, some of you may have caught my previous video where I suggested a method that you could try to help prevent the top cap of your glue from gluing itself to the nozzle. Now my suggestion was to employ washing up liquid, or if in America, dish soap. The idea being is you put a smear onto that nozzle such that it then provides just enough of a barrier between the two mating surfaces, stopping them locking together and hence making it easier to take the top off the next time you come to use the glue. Now this applies mainly to these super glues and their clones, but I guess you could use it on other glues as well. Now a few YouTubers came back to me and suggested an alternative method. What they said was to actually store the glue in the fridge and store it upright. The combination of the cold temperature plus the fact that the glue is stored upright, so draining away from that nozzle, made it easier to actually take that top off the next time you come to use it. Now the only problem that they had was when you store this in the fridge, because these are really light and slippy, if you're leaning against something, as soon as you close that fridge door, it falls over and then you're back to square one. And they asked, had I got an idea to actually keep that glue upright in the fridge? Well, I had a bit of a think and I came up with this. A simple clothes peg. If you just grip the bottom of that glue there, so you're putting no pressure on the actual glue itself and pushing it up, that then is actually quite a stable platform. It tends not to sort of want to fall over. So if you close that door, chances are it's going to stand upright. Now I do suggest you utilise these that have got a wide opening at the grip part rather than the old traditional wooden ones, because if you try and use those, they're not very stable and you're back to square one. These I've got from Asda, but I guess you can get from all different places as well. And if you haven't got any, I'm sure you've got a friend who's got one as well. And that's it, a nice simple solution. Now this may seem a bit of a trivial video, but I'm actually trying to solve a genuine issue raised by several YouTubers. So all I ask is, please don't post negative remarks if you didn't think much of this video. And that's it. Thanks for watching.